Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get a pet on your Snapchat maps. Snapchat let your friends know about your whereabouts in real time by placing your Bitmoji on your Snapchat map. But to make it more fun and interesting, you can customize your Bitmoji by adding a car or even a pet. This app is even taking further step by letting you create your pets from your selected photos in your galleries. So keep watching this and I will show you how you can set up customized pet on your Snapchats. So let's find out how we can get a pet on our Snapchat maps. First of all, go to your Snapchat app. Now down the bottom you can see a location option. Simply tap it here. Now page my screen you can see my Bitmoji. Now simply tap at your Bitmoji down the bottom. Now page my screen you can see first option is my car, second option is my pet, third option is my home, and fourth option is my pose. Now simply, if you want a pet with your Bitmoji, simply tap at pet. Now page my screen you can see this feature is only available for the Snapchat Plus users, but very soon this will be available for all users. Now simply select add the custom Bitmoji. Now select add the custom Bitmoji pets and tap at next. And after subscribing your Snapchat Plus, you will be able to get your pets at your maps. I hope this video is a helper for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.